Doesn't look very Christmas in the mail, Earl. We got battle whips. More battle whips. There's the whole shit all in it. God, I smell that. God damn it.
It's too hard. Damn it! Oh, that's a laugh.
Oh man! The fuck! God damn! Oh.
Nick, come on! Dude, don't laugh!
Oh man! The fuck is this shit in Christmas? Keep the shit back! Ah! Man, isn't that Christmassy over here? Oh, Oh, yeah, Christmas! What the hell? Huh? God damn it. I got that idea though.
Action.
Nick, wake up.
Huh?
Damn it, that was a hell of a good one, Daniel.
Nick, wake up.
Huh?
Wake up. It was
He's not even good outtake.
I
Yeah,
know.
get back. I don't even know if I can see you. Get back in there.
I did. Alright. I did.
Well, actually, Mom.
Come on, Daniel.
Well, I was at the flea market.
Oh. Yeah. Oh. Hello, folks. Yeah. Bears over one gum now. Ah. Nobody have that!
So that's the story.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. That's one shit is thorough. I mean, who was that guy anyway? Just some weird old guy named Bill. With a puppet dog named Bill. I'm serious. Well,
That's the story.
that's how it went down, Earl. Madam.
Doesn't tickle, Nick.
It turns over nose though.
Look. Ew.
Well, lateral. They're doing marijuana. Some cocaine and cigarettes. I can't sneeze! Ah! That'd be good tears for films. They make films during tears. I am mathematic shit. All the many words and sneeze. This is real kind of nice. Oh.
You could see it popping up in his nose.
It's coming very soon. Look at this. Oh.
Nick, put some water in it. Put some water.
No.
Feels pretty nice. Nick, feels pretty nice.
Yeah.
Oh, mine's all wet. Nick, it's right here, Nick.
Where'd it? Oh.
Mine got all wet. It didn't work.
That's a sneeze.
No, it's not. It's a laugh. It's like, achoo.
Yeah, like it was.
You did slow mo too.
Isn't that all wet?
Yeah, we do
Nick?
slow mo.
Isn't that all wet?
Oh, hello.
No.
Okay, that's enough.
You're crying.